This model kit review is of the 1970 Buick GSX, and it is a 1/24 scale model by Revell. And here are the dimensions as well as some details. Here are the colors needed. We'll have a look and see. So we've got three different options, different versions and building. And I think the black and white one looks pretty good. The other one looks pretty good. Got some nice engine details, that's nice. Quite a number of sprues in here. Let's start off with the body. Well, so there's the body here. We've got some nice engine bay detail. We've got some recessed panel lines. Got one mold line here and here that can be easily sanded down, but that's very nice. We've got 4 standard tires made out of vinyl. We've got some red tail lights. And then we've got these two slightly bigger, just slightly bigger wheels, probably for the rear, for the other option. Okay, looks like we've got some chrome pieces here. So we've got a there's the front bumper, we've got a rear bumper, very chromed. We've got some engine parts here, and we've got wheels. That's one different option for the wheels. Here's the other option, but those are very chromed. Okay, now the rest of the white sprues here, got a lot of them. Here is the one hood, so that has the option for the, I guess, the supercharger and air intake coming out. Here's the insides of the outsides of the wheels, insides. We've got some suspension parts and steering column, steering wheel, and looks like part of our suspension there. Side mirrors there. And there is the fan for the radiator. Now they've got hinges on here, it looks like, so hopefully it should be able to open. Here is our floor pan. Look at that. That's got some nice detail there. Got the fuel tank, transmission tunnel there. Here's our engine and transmission. We've got some seats. There's the fan shroud, and there's the radiator. Looks like that's part of our firewall there, brake booster, but nicely molded. Okay, here's the rear part of the seat, and our cabin. Looks like we've got a spoiler there, and left hand side dashboard. Here we've got our exhaust and muffler, subframe parts, engine parts. There's our rear axle there. More engine parts. There's the other hood. That's for the standard version, and then I guess these are going to be for the slightly larger tires. More suspension parts. Here's our glass, and that's actually very nicely molded. Nice and clear, no distortion. And we've got some headlights. Here are the decals. And those are beautifully printed. Look at that. That is very nice. Okay, so here's some details about the car. So this muscle car had a 455 cubic inch V8. That's an enormous engine. Here are the color codes. Okay, we start off with the engine. So A is if you're building the stock version, B is the customized version. So B is the special customized version with that big air intake. Okay, so A is stock. So here's the different options for the engine. Put the seats together. There's our cabin going together. And all the additional details for the cabin. Here's our subframe going on. We mount the engine and then the exhaust. And then there's the rear axle. Also A or B. A or B for different shocks. I guess they're different heights. And then we mount that onto the chassis. Here's our radiator. And then we start to put the body pieces together. Don't forget to paint the inside black. And then we build the rest of the engine bay and mount our cabin. And then the body goes on the chassis. Here's our front bumper with headlights. Here's the rear. Okay, and then we put the rest of the engine parts on there. There's our air intake. All the very much enhanced engine there. Here are the wheels and tires, depending on which version you're building. So the slightly larger ones on the rear if you're building the custom version. And then the hood, again depending on which version you're building. So here is the stock version. And here is the custom version. So all in all, that's a very nice model kit. We've got some nice engine details, got some options too, so that'll be a good build.